The West Coast is such a relatively unspoiled, pristine environment.
It's just a very unique place. There's nowhere in the world like this. For it to turn into an industrial coastline would be an absolute disaster.
Die see skep 'n lig vir hierdie hele gemeenskap.
Vandag ons probeer nou altyd om onze traditie te behou.
Die visserman sê wat jy insit sal jy uitkry.
The Olifants Estuary is a bird paradise. So it's got a huge potential for ecotourism, but unfortunately at the moment it's not being managed.
We still get our uncles and grandfathers still in the field with their livestock, with their goats, with their sheep. They survive without getting sick.
If you go from this side to the north, you will see how our landscape looked like. A rape landscape they left us.
You are going to be displaced from this community if you don't speak in one language. That is what the government is actually going to do to you.
This is an active mining area. You're not allowed on the beach.
I'm not a diamond man. I'm not a diamond boat. I have a fishing boat. No fish, no eat.
Here, you're still able to escape and surf waves with absolutely no one out. There's probably only a handful of places left in the world where you can do that.
It's one of the last frontiers in South Africa, and it's really worth preserving.
It's not about money. It's about bringing positivity back here, you know, before it goes too dark and we can't turn the lights on again.